welcome to Tools and Twists. And today I decided, well, first of all, I'm living in a space that's kind of a construction zone. So virtually every area of my house is there's a project going on. So in order for me to be able to film for you guys and do some of the things that I do on Instagram, I decided it would be a great idea to take some of this leftover PVC piping that I have and build a backdrop that I can use all over the place. So I'm building this for under $10, and if you're interested in learning how to build one, stay tuned.
What's up, Robin?
What you're going to need in order to build this DIY backdrop are 4 6-foot PVC pipes, 4 4-foot PVC pipes, 4 2-foot PVC pipes, 8 3-way elbows, a shower curtain or a sheet or a backdrop paper, and shower curtain rings and or some type of hooks. You can either have the hardware store cut your PVC pipes, or you can do as I did and I purchased a cutter and cut my own pipes versus letting them cut it in the store. And the tool was relatively easy to use. You just pull it open, which allows the blade to open up, and then once you put it on the hooks, you just press it down and it will clamp. It'll actually tighten, and then you just keep squeezing it and it'll start to cut the PVC. It was super simple. It's easy to use. What you want to do is start with your two 4-foot PVC pipes and 2 2-foot PVC pipes to build your base and the top of your backdrop. And you'll want to use, this is also where you'll use the 8 elbow pieces to connect them. So you'll have a square for the bottom and a square for the top. You put those pieces together, and once you've done that, then you'll add your 6-foot poles to each elbow for your base, and then you'll attach the top piece, which is the same as the base, and you'll have a completed three-dimensional square. Also, with the top piece though, what you want to do is you want to attach your hooks before you attach them to the elbows. So that way, all you have to do is, if you're using a shower curtain, then you'll just attach your hooks and you won't have to go back and take it apart later. The great thing about this DIY project is that not only can you use the front side, you can also use the back side as well as the sides. So you have 4 sides that you can have 4 different backdrops. You can make it as large or as small as you'd like. So you have plenty of options to make this as customizable as you'd like. I can't wait to see what you're going to build. Show me your projects. #ToolsandTwists.
Keep it shining like the stars we see.